In the name of kindness and love, I start. I am Muhammad Aman from Uj. I go to Star English Language Academy Gadar. Big thanks to my teachers. Today I am gonna ask some questions from my lovely brother, Mr. Amar. Okay, Mr. Amar, are you able to tell something about yourself to the Star viewers?
Yes, of course, why not? My name is Muhammad Amr. I come from Uj. I belong to Uj. My father name is Muhammad Riaz. He is a government driver in Dubai. We have 7 family members, 2 brothers, 3 sisters, and parents. I learn in class 7th in Al Mizan school, as well as I am a student of Star English Language Academy Gadar.
Okay, Mr. Amar, will you tell me about your father three good habits?
Yes, actually, my father has a lot of good habits, but I just mention here 3 good habits. The first one, he never tells lies. Secondly, he never fights. The third one, he supports us at any cost.
Okay, Mr. Amar, describe your favorite hobby.
Well, my favorite hobby is playing football. Whenever I get free time, I go to ground and play football with my friends.
Thank you, Mr. Amar.
You are welcome.
Okay, dear viewers, we are winding up this interview. See you next time.